Alright, here we go. Welcome everybody to the stream. Welcome, and also welcome everybody watching this later on the YouTube. Welcome to you as well. Today, we're trying to add a second level to our ship. However, we need to kind of prepare for that. Now, last time I kind of noted that our ship is 49 blocks long. I think that was correct, right? I think I need to recount again just to be sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, which is twice obviously, so 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Yeah. 59? Am I correct? No, 49, right? 49, not 59. 59 would be way too much. Okay, so we know that this outer layer is 49, 49 in no, not circumference, in the radius. Double the radius, rather. And the top deck, or rather, now every step we go up, the radius is going to get smaller by 2. So this one, the next one, is going to be 47. Now I have I have to look something up, how to make these circles, because we all know circles in games like these, where you only can place blocks, it's kind of difficult. So I know for Minecraft there is like a fancy little site where you can generate circles based on the width and height of that circle. So 47 is what we want for the next level. There we go. Oh Jesus, that's gonna be fun to build, I am sure. Right, so let's just start with that. We only want to put down the outer layer so far. Basically because after we put down the outer layer, I want to start to fix up all the conveyors with the oxygen and whatnot. So, all right, let me try to concentrate here for a second. So it goes 4 in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 in. Jesus, it's really kind of hard sometimes to to figure this stuff out, how to exactly place these. Okay, and then another 5 in this direction. 1, 2, or well, in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 in, and then 1, 2, 3. I have the feeling I can just basically ride on this, you know, just place them one more inwards, if that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, then 1 in, and then it's 1, 2. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that that actually will work. Yeah, pretty much. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Then come several 2s. Yeah. Oh, I think that might be wrong. Or is it? No, actually, I think that's correct. Hold on. Like so. Right. I think we're... I have to check this afterwards again, but I'm pretty sure we're there. Let's see. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and now here is supposedly... should be more. I might be wrong on one of them. Yeah, I think I see the error here. This should be a 2, and then here it's supposedly a 3, another 3, and now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this should be the middle bit. Well, something along those lines. Ugh. Okay, we'll have to recheck that again in a second. Also, I'm not quite sure if we're gonna over the lounge thing area here, if we're actually gonna do it like that. I'm not even sure at the moment. We'll see. But okay, if we say this is the middle, then I have to recheck this again on the, basically just to be sure. So it's 4 in this direction, yeah, and then 1 down, and then it's 5 in this direction, not 4. Yeah, something went wrong. I'm not quite sure where it went wrong. Oh, I'm pretty sure I might know where it went wrong. I'm pretty sure it supposedly should be... well, okay, that was stupid. Hold on. Pretty sure I should be on this level here. 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 in. Like that. I'm pretty sure that is right. Let me see for this distance here, from here to the middle. How much is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks until the inner wall here. Alright, so let's try this from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I was right. So somewhere I didn't quite catch the drift. I made a mistake by 1 pixel. But that's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means these are wrong. Yeah, we have to do this. We have to kind of check where we went wrong. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 in. Then it's 1, 2, 3. And that needs to be there instead of here. And then another 3. I think that might that be the mistake? 3, 3, and then a 2. And then another 3. And then another 2. And then basically it starts to turn. Then it's 2 in this direction, 3, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, okay, I basically... Sometimes if you look at these circle diagrams, you have to kind of start reading them from like bottom to top, and then at a certain point you need to flip, because otherwise you get confused. I think I just missed the flip. But that also means we're basically perfect here with the wall. We are not interfering with the glass at all. That's quite nice. If I look from up here, yeah, it's not... I don't think it's perfect. You know, I cannot just do this by a basic visual. I have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was 4, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4, and then a 5er, and then a 3er. I might already be wrong again. God damn it! No, I think I'm still on track. At one point you have it like in your mind. It basically doesn't go away. 3, 3, 2, 3, and then 2, and then it flips to 2. Then it's 3. Is it? See? That's where the problem starts. Yeah, I think it is actually. Let's see if we'll get there in the end. 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Very nice. If you look from the surroundings, yeah, that looks all right. That looks like it could work, technically. Okay, good. So, 2 more to go, 2 more circles, and then we're done. And then we can start to work on the conveyors and all that stuff. That's going to be very important. But first, we're going to recharge ourselves, and I learned that we need to do this in here, in the map bay, because it's way faster here. You know, if we have a med bay, we might as well use it. Although it's not connected to oxygen yet, so that is a bit of a bummer. So we have to return every once in a while to the base for oxygen and hydrogen, for that matter, but yeah. Alright, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3, 3, 2, and then I think it's another 3, and then it's 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, perfect! We're getting this. Very nice. Yeah, I think we're correct, right? Yeah, we're correct. I'm kind of amazed by myself sometimes that we're actually on track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's the 5 again. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. And then 2 in this direction. 3, 2, 3, 3. And I might be wrong now. Let me see. 3, 2. No, I think I'm still on track here. 3, 2, double 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. No, okay, I'm off. Not quite. At least I tried. Thank you for playing. Okay, I was off there by 1 pixel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see where it went wrong. I have a feeling I know, but 5, and then that's 3, 3. I think that might have been the only mistake there. No, 3, 3, 2, 3. I think it supposedly should be. And then 2, like this. Does that make sense? No, something is still not right. I'm not quite sure what it is, though. My cats are scratching on somebody's door, not sure whose. 4, 5. Then 2 3s. A 2, a 3. And then a 2, a 2. 1 down. 2, 2. 2 down. 2, 3 down. 2. No, now it should be. Yeah, it should be correct now. Let's see from the top if it looks decent. I think it does. Hard to say though, honestly. Alright, well, we'll see. Okay, so now we will go and grab ourselves materials for conveyors. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the conveyor tubes and everything up through the hole where they are into the upper layer, and then basically we want to kind of use these conveyors as a vent on the upper floors as well, just a vent that is on the floor, but that's okay. Yeah, something like that. Also, I just hold on, I have an idea. I am filled with ideas today. Also, I feel kind of sick again. I have like a weird soreness in my throat. It's really annoying. It hurts like, I don't know. So if I sound weird today, that's because of that. Okay. What else do we need? We have interior plates, we have construction components, motors. Oh yeah, I think small tubes we shall need as well, right? Wait, do we need motors? We might. Yes, we do. Motors, not that much, but everything else. So let's get a little bit less motors, a little bit more of these bad boys. There we go. That looks good. Okay. So what I was thinking now, because we have actually done this in I think it's this room here. Yeah, you can see it down there. the grate, basically, that we created. We could do that on the upper floors as well, basically making the vent is on the floor level, and then one level above there is going to be a grate that is over the vent, if that works. I'm not sure if it works, but we'll see, I suppose. Actually, I'm kind of eager to try it out for a second here. Hold on. Let's just say, for example, we have this bad boy here. So here we already have the general setup, how it's supposed to look on the upper floor. Oh man, now we need to get some steel plates too. Hold on. Let me weld this real quick and get some steel plates here. There we go. So, I would propose, instead of having a conveyor junction here, having a vent that goes exactly here. Oh god, we need more. More. Let me just grab some here. There we go. Just to place it down. Put the vent on this level, and then above it put a catwalk, which we cannot really do unless we have a catwalk right next to it, you know, or something that where we can attach the catwalk to, like a block. But I think it would be most advantageous because it allows us to hide away the vents a lot better. You know what I mean? I think this is what we're going to do in the end. So, yeah. Okay, let me get some steel plates as well, because we'll need these for vent placement. Also, let me get some oxygen. Good thing we have basically infinite oxygen because of that one trip where we hold some ice. I have the feeling we have infinite oxygen. Maybe I'm wrong. Where's our oxygen tank, by the way? Oh yeah, there it is. Oh no, it's not quite full anymore, but it's mostly full. Hydrogen is also, well, half full. So that should be enough for quite a while. There we go. That should be enough. Right. Let's do that everywhere. Let's just add these little guys just like that, and then in the end we can still decide where exactly we're gonna have vents, you know, where exactly are gonna be the rooms, because not necessarily everywhere where there's a vent or a possible vent position is gonna be a room. You know what I mean? For example, maybe this one, because it's so far out, is not actually gonna be used as a vent position. Because I feel the upper rooms on the upper deck are going to be a bit more expansive in scale. Because the height of the rooms is going to be smaller, basically, you know? So I'm basically gonna splurge a little bit with the size, the area of the room, the floor area. So yeah. I think the placement of the vents and the design of the rooms has to go like hand in hand almost, if that makes sense. Right, let's get all of these. Actually, can we place them right next to each other? Would be way more useful. Grouping components in their in the order of usefulness, basically. Or just having components next to each other that you use a lot. There we go. Right. So for example, I like this position. This is a good position in my opinion. So we're gonna put it in that way. Now, I would assume, for example, at the front here, there's gonna be like the captain's cabin. That's gonna be quite big, right? And then we're gonna have at least like 2 crew quarters, which might be like here, this, not the half, but a good section of this part here. Basically from like here all the way over here. There's going to be like 2 huge crew quarters. Then somewhere in between, maybe over here, there's going to be showers. And there's going to be a cantina. Maybe right where the stairs upwards are gonna be, which I have the feeling are just gonna be here, like right in the middle here. Just having these, the small catwalk stairs go up one by one. Which is also, I have to kind of try out a trick that somebody suggested to basically free hang the stairs. Because that was a problem I had with these stairs. You couldn't build them upon each other because they occupy blocks diagonal of each other. But somebody suggested a cool little trick that I might try, which is basically using a corner light under it to connect them. Now, I don't know if it's gonna even look good to have a corner light under there, but it might work. Oh, have we run out of oh god, we have run out of everything again. Really? Wow. Well, not interior plates, but I'm pretty sure nobody wants interior plates anymore. But that's good, so we can eliminate them from our inventory, right? Oh yeah, there's also going to be conveyors there on every side. I forgot about that. Totally forgot about that. Okay. Oh, well. Now we're going back into concept phase, basically, where we have to kind of figure out where everything goes. There we go. Let's get 50 of each, 30 of you. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, let's also place these guys here. I almost forgot about them. Because I wanted to have basically these vents in all the same position. That was kind of a requirement, even though it's technically not necessary because all the hallways are connected and therefore shouldn't need 4 vents, but symmetry. There's no other argument to this than symmetry. So yeah. Also, we have to figure out where we're gonna add like the access to this in-between floor where we're working on right now. I would call it the maintenance floor. I'm not sure if that is the right word, but yeah, we have to kind of figure out where the access to that is gonna be. Just trying to add all our components wherever we need them. Yeah, okay, I think we're pretty much done with most interior plates. I'm still gonna like take 10 with me just in case, but yeah. Ooh, a space pirate mining transporter. Friends, nice. Well, not friends, neutrals, but yeah. Right. Oh god, we're running out of construction components and nobody told me. Jeez. Now that's awkward. Good thing we can make some quite quickly. That's good. Right, let's take with us like 90 of each. 10 of you. There we go. That sounds like a good plan. And then a few more of you. Yeah, I think we got it. Okay. Yeah, I have to think. I feel we have to basically go right on design if we want to actually figure out where to put the actual vents and stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. We need more interior plates. Obviously we do. Whenever I think I've finished with one material, we need some more of that. That's just normal. There we go. And this one is going to be a bit special as well, because this... Although this kind of ruins our plans right now, doesn't it? Although we could kind of work that out in a way. I have an idea. Yeah, we'll fix that in a different way. I have something planned there. God damn it! I'm so quickly out of construction components. So annoying. Okay. Right. So what we could do there is basically make the vent go around the corner. Because technically it doesn't need to be right above the grate. It can be a little bit further away around the corner, as long as there is a direct way to that corner. To that grate. Essentially. There we go. Alright, let me weld some of these other conveyors. There we go. Small tube, obviously.
Energy low.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I think what we could do is something like this, where we basically just take that vent and turn it around and have it like so, which means we don't have to basically use additional height to make it work. Because like this, the air will still flow down here. You won't see the vent from down here, but that's okay. I think that's okay. So, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna recover my energy, and then I'm gonna get a whole bunch of steel plates, and then we're gonna basically lay out the first room, more or less, and then we'll figure this thing out. Because we also have to kind of think about how the actual hallway on the upper floor is gonna look like, you know? Am I full? Oh yeah, it's the oxygen that is lacking. Okay. Right. Also, let me see the stairs. These ones. And then I want corner lights. I just want to check this out if that works. So let's say we'll have the stair. Yeah, we can have it somewhere around here. It doesn't really matter, doesn't it? Actually, let's put it right here. No, that's a bit too close to the back wall here. Let's put it here. That sounds good. Okay. And now, because we cannot put it on top, we'll put a corner light. Where is it, the corner light? Oh, there it is. Like so. It kind of fits perfectly into the stairs. That is cool. And now we should be able to... Yeah, that actually works. I cannot really remember who gave me the tip. I will find it out. But whoever gave me that tip, thank you. That is a great idea. That's a freaking great idea. Look at that. Works perfectly. Love it. I never even thought of that, but yeah, that is quite genius, actually, to do it like that. Leave it to the space engineers community to figure things out, right? I might have done something wrong here, actually. Hold on. No, it should be right. Why isn't... Oh, there we go. Okay. We need one more, I believe. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of hard to place the stairs still, but... Yeah, okay. That should be the right level. Yeah, okay. There we go. So this is where they're gonna go up into the upper area. Like so. And we can actually put it like this. And maybe, depending on how... Oh, okay, that is too close. Too close for comfort. Depending on how we configure the lights, I don't know if we are going to be able to use these lights to actually illuminate the stairwell. I'm not even sure if that works, but we'll see. Let's just pour some of the resources in here. And then, yeah, let's just get rid of all the resources we can. That's fine. Also, do we have some more? No, we don't have more steel plates. Alrighty. Getting new stuff. Also getting some oxygen. There we go. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Now, let's get a full load of this kind of stuff. Okay, maybe a little bit less than that. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. Let us weld the stairs. I think it's a good idea to go from the stairs. You know, because these are our touching point, basically, with everything else. Right, so up we go. We're gonna land right here. Now we need more steel plates, obviously, but yeah. Since we got some materials, we can also weld these now, luckily enough. Is there anything I haven't welded yet? It looks good. Oh, this one. Good, this one is welded, this one is welded. Yeah, okay, looks good. So, let's get, oh, wait, corner lights. I want to weld the corner lights too, if I can. You know, they also look very good on the stairs. They fit perfectly in that design. I thought they would maybe look a little bit out of place, they would stick out, but no, they fit in perfectly. They blend really well with the staircase. Nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Also, maybe they will shine through the bottom, which means we really have like a lit stairwell. That's ingenious. Thank you so much for that suggestion. That is really good. That's a really good technique. I didn't know about that. Nice. Okay. Alright, so, and also, obviously, around here there will be, well, actually, we might even be able to get rid of that corner light. Because, oops, not that much I will want to get rid of. Because there is gonna be just wall here, that's fine, I think. Oh, I used the wrong block. Blimey. That is the worst thing, especially in creative mode. If you create like a huge cube, like 20 by 20 block cube, and then you realize, oh damn, I used like this block here, the light inverted corner. You know, because you don't see it depending on from which side you're looking. You don't see it really, and then you're finished, and then you fly around and you're like, no, it's the wrong freaking... Oh, hold on. Oh, I think I know. I think I know what's going on. We should be able to make it through here, I think, if we walk normally. The problem is because we don't have gravity, that doesn't work. But yeah, I think the spacing here should work out. That should be enough to, yeah. Yeah, okay. If we work normally with a gravity generator, that should be fine. Right. Which actually means we can now start welding the floor. No, not the floor, the ceiling. And which means we also get rid of that, because the ceiling is going to be right here. Which is wrong. The ceiling is going to be right above. Wrong! There we go. Okay. Fair enough. Let's... Oh, no more... Wait, what? Unable? Why unable? What is wrong? Oh, no! Oh, we made a big mistake, I believe. We disconnected one part of the staircase, I think. Either that or the whole staircase is disconnected. I'm not sure which part is disconnected. I think it's this one, yeah. Ah, bummer. Okay. Yeah, that happens sometimes if you just grind away like an idiot, right? Okay, let's try that again. Huh. Interesting. Wait, what? Oh, that whole section is gone too? Damn. Okay. Fine. Now we can do it. Okay. This one is also gone. Jesus Christ, what did I do? Okay. Corner lights. Go! Now, these two should connect, technically. Right? Oh god, it's really hard to place them. Now we put a... Oh, there we go. You have to... Where do you have to aim to make this happen? That is weird. There we go. Oh, okay, connected again. Right. And now... Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait, no. It's alright. This is the upper level. No. God damn it. It's sometimes really hard to see. There, that's the upper level. So one more staircase needed. Not this direction, though. Goddamn T-key. Oh, come on now. You are kidding me. There. Got it. Finally. Get rid of that, because that's not connected either. Oh, man. Okay. Now we got it, hopefully. Wait, something is... Yeah, no, something is still wrong. I actually put the conveyor there way too far up, apparently. Yeah, totally. I put that up one level too high. That's curious. Okay, so that needs to come down one level. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I basically moved everything by one level, and I'm off quite a lot here. So it's like this, and then... Yeah, okay, we're off one level. Well, not really off one level, but yeah. I see what the problem is. So this one definitely needs to go. Now we should be safe to disconnect that. Yeah, okay. Right, and this is actually not necessarily, because there is... This is the maintenance floor. So all of that is not needed. And here we can go all the way like this. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now, let us finish up that staircase. At least that I want to be able to complete today. Holy hell. Yeah, okay, I see more plates. But first, recharge. I should just build one of these down on the base, really. Just to be more quick about it, but you know. Because the more the ship gets completed, the more annoying it's gonna be to actually get to the medical room. Ooh, that was close. I thought I would die there. Alright. We need a whole bunch more of you. Yes. Okay, let's get all the surroundings done, and let's get the basically the layer here done. The first the ceiling. So we have all the ceiling then connected, because we left that out on purpose because we didn't quite know how it's gonna look like. But I think this is fine. This is perfect. Also, I might have toyed with the idea of having a higher ceiling on the entrance hall here, but I think this is fine as well. Now, what I'm actually thinking right now is that if we might just want to have like a step in between this ladder and the upper ladder, and make this directly the connection to the maintenance floor. So you go up the stairs to the crew quarters, and then basically there's like a step where it's no stairs, just a normal block, and to the left and to the right is going to be doors to the maintenance floor. Something like that. I think that wouldn't be a bad idea, which means the stair would come up here. Or no, actually the stair will connect right to here, which would leave us with a 2-wide hallway around all of this. I'm not quite sure if that's enough, though. Let me think about this for a second. I have an idea, I suppose, but I'm not sure how good it's gonna be. Let me weld some of those steel plates first. Maybe we're gonna do this a little bit more elaborate than I thought we would. Basically, you know, making this room here, like this 3x3. So you come up here and then you have a door there and a door there, and basically you have to walk all the way around and get on this staircase. Well, oh, can we put it right here? Oh, hold on, can we use corner light hack here as well? Does that work? Aha, that works too! Oh, amazing. Corner lights are the savior of us. Heck yeah. Okay, yeah, that's totally how we're gonna do it. And we also need to get 3 more construction components to finish off this second set of stairs. Which means we do not have extra stairs, we just have them shifted a little bit. That's good. So, 3 more of you. And then, rest is all gonna be, yep, steel plates, very nice. Yeah, I think this is quite cool. And also, this should be easily walked, yeah. What was that? Did something just explode? Also, I just realized all of the... oh no, one is still offline. What was that? What was that sound? Did something blow up? Or was that just me flying against the thing? No, it doesn't make that sound normally. That's weird. What was that? I'm confused now. Mysterious sound is mysterious. Okay. So let's sketch out this room real quick. We have enough steel plates, that is. Ah, lights, yay. Okay. So this is gonna be a 3x3 room, just like so. And if we do it like that, we also have enough space to basically put signs up that say something along the lines of maintenance floor or something like that, you know? Yeah, I think that's quite genius. And then we still have enough space to basically make a hallway that is 3 wide, because I think that's at least what we need. What? Oh, my cat is being, not annoying, but being very loud-mouthed again. Alright, let's get more supplies. Now we need a ton of steel plates again, because now the big plate building is gonna go on again. The big floor making and designing. Well, it's gonna be interspersed with like room design again. There we go. Or we could... Either we have 2 or we just have 1 entrance. I'm debating about that right now in my head. Yeah, why need 2 if we can just have 1, right? That's way better. Yeah, that's way better. Genius. Well, okay, maybe not genius, but better. It saves a little bit on construction, doesn't it? Also, it's quite redundant to have like 2 entrances. Unless it's like a ring shape and you can only get to like... Well, if you would have to get over here, you would have to walk all the way around. Then it would be stupid to have only 1 entrance. But here, basically, this entrance is gonna give you access to all of this. So you can go... From here, you can go this way or that way. So it doesn't really matter. Right? Okay, let's put this... What are you chasing around, you two? You're chasing something. Probably something you stole from somewhere. Some weird household item that you use as toy, even though you have like 50 toys. Don't you? But you don't like playing with them. Or maybe once a month and then you're not interested again. That's cats for you. Although that oddly reflects very well on a lot of people's Steam library, mine included. Right? Where you buy things and then you play them for an hour and you forget about them for a year, and then you're like, oh yeah, I bought that game, I forgot about that. Yeah. So maybe people are closer to cats than they think. Alright. Well then, well then, well then. Also, I'm not quite sure how high this room is supposed to be. Are we gonna make the wall just like that? Yeah, we have to, otherwise it's not gonna work, design-wise. Yeah, we'll have to do it like that. Then like so. Perfect. Also, we'll have to put a gravity generator. Either 1 or 4. You know, like on the maintenance floors, basically. Like, we could put them here in the quarters. Like 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And then we have to calibrate them perfectly so they don't overlap, which should be possible. And then, yeah, we'll see. But we should definitely get some gravity generators eventually. Make more steel plates. Always more steel plates are required. For the glorious construction, yes. So I would like to walk down this stair and see how it looks. The problem is with magnetic boots it doesn't work because it aligns myself quite weirdly if I do. And then I get hung on the, this place. But yeah, you walk down here and then there's going to be a sign that says maintenance access. Then you go over here and then you go down into the main deck where your workplace is most likely at. Be it at the mission control or the med bay or the bridge, wherever you go. So yeah, that makes kind of sense. Nice. Okay. So let's think about... Oh god, now I always have to kind of do this. Now it's getting really annoying to actually get to the med bay, so we might just abandon the med bay in the future. Right, now, you know, first and foremost, I'm actually gonna place all these blocks because, yeah, I mean, yeah, otherwise I'm gonna forget and it's gonna be annoying if I do. So, because these blocks, yeah, they do not really have a function. But, you know, if we're gonna build a ship like that, we want to put all the blocks. We don't want to have, like, hollow spaces in between. Even though that takes a lot more armor plates in the end, but still. Or at least let's fix these things, like, on the first quarter, and then try to design the actual hallway, how it's gonna look, how it's gonna go around the place. As I said, I think a hallway that is 3 wide is pretty good. So basically, what I have in mind, let me place. Yeah, we'll do these as we go along around the block, basically. So the way I see this is, we're gonna go up here, and then there's gonna be the hallway that is starting right here. Right, something like that. There's gonna be a hallway, and probably there's gonna be like one vent somewhere back here, something like that. And that hallway is gonna go all the way around to here, and then there's gonna be captain's quarters, 2 crew quarters, toilet or a bathroom. And I think actually back here, just where the stairs come up, which we will reinforce with railings surrounding here, so you cannot just fall down like that. I think back here is going to be like the mess hall or something. Yeah, something like that. So there's basically only going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 room-ish up here. which will make it, I guess, a little bit easier from a design standpoint, because I don't have to think about that much, but it makes it a lot more work intensive. Also, for some reason, it kind of makes me mad sometimes when I design ships. You know, I always have kind of in mind how many people are on a ship. You know, I see, for example, oh yeah, we have like 20 turrets, so we need 20 gunners at least. Then we have a captain and, you know, maybe like 3 or 4 navigation officers. And then I design the ship and then I realize, oh wait, the actual sleeping quarters do not have enough space to fit that many people. That makes me mad. Then I'm scrapping the whole ship. I'm like, nope, not gonna happen. I want a ship that actually can house all the people that it has on it. So often I start with actually the sleeping quarters. Either the reactor or the sleeping quarters. Which is weird because here we basically started with the hull. Which is something I normally do not do. Because when I design ships, I mostly go with gut feeling. So I start designing like a core component and then basically form a ship around it. But of course here it's the other way around. We had a form that we wanted to fill out. And now we basically have to fit all the things inside. Make it work. Which is an interesting challenge too, if you think about it. Which was the intention, I suppose. Okay. And I already detect a problem. Oh, no, I don't. I do not detect a problem. I should just do my job properly. And then problems would not arise. There we go. That was a problem. But it is good. Right. God, look at how much frickin' steel plates we already use again. Ah, so silly. But it is very serene to do this, I have to say. It's kind of like, you know, after a day of work, this is actually like meditation for me. Because, you know, it's not stressful. I don't have to be careful to die. I don't have to be super skilled to do what I do. It's just relaxing. It's just creativity flowing free, you know? And then, I'm not quite sure how the hallway is gonna curve here. That is the biggest problem that I have. And I'm not quite sure how the curvature of the hallway is gonna look like. And this is where we have to actually do these things so we can basically start that hallway from this side as well, so we can meet in the middle and see where we're at. So let's weld all of these bad boys. There we go. Oh, okay, one more. For which we do not have enough steel plates, obviously! Ah! There we go. Right. Let me see here. So, from here, if we start the whole way from here, we have a... If we do it the exact same way... Oh, ouch. Yeah. So, I think this one is clear. And then this here is where it gets weird, right? I think it will have to be something along these lines. Yeah, that's really weird. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just start welding a few things and then add stuff on top of it. Oh yeah, I know what I do. I know. We'll start to add the wall tiles here. These always give a good indication how a hallway looks. So it's gonna be like this, right? Let's weld all of these. Yeah, we need more, obviously. Yeah. I have the feeling this will give us the insight that we need so desperately. Oh, Cats is rummaging through my Magic the Gathering cards. Always nice. Stop it, you jerk. Don't throw stuff on the floor. Sometimes I would really like to know what goes on in a cat's mind. Why it does what it does, you know? Whenever it throws something on the floor, I'm like, why did you do that? What was the reason for that? Or sometimes it's just run through the whole flat like 4 or 5 times, you know, in a row, just like that, and I have no idea why. But yeah. See, this is where we get the picture of the hallway. Now, there must be like an opposite here, basically. And I think it starts here. Right? 1, 2, 3. Wait, does that make sense? If we put it here, you know, the hallway is going to be quite narrow, but that's okay because the upper deck is going to be a little bit more narrow, isn't it? Not sure how I'm going to place the lights though, because yeah, it's going to be weird, but yeah, like that. Okay. And then what? And then we're just gonna have diagonal blocks here, or what? Wait, and if we replicate this on this side here... Hold on, that's wrong. Like so. Yeah, like this. And then we have a bunch of blocks here. Do we just then add these diagonal blocks? Like so? Is that what we do? I guess that works, right? Yeah. Yeah. I think that's how we're gonna do it. It's gonna be quite a narrow hallway, but that gives us a lot more space for, oh yeah, the rooms. How are we gonna access the rooms? I have the feeling we're gonna access the rooms like from here, here, here. Basically, these rooms here are all gonna be accessed from this position. And then there's one door here, and one door there. That's what I have to feel. So basically, either that or the showers, like the restrooms, are going to be directly linked with the quarters. One of these things. I just don't want too much doors. And since we still do not have diagonal doors in the main game, we're not going to be able to fit one there. So yeah. Okay, right. Either that or we might have a diagonal hallway that leads up. Oh well. I'm going to brainstorm a little bit while I do other things. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's been it for today. Thank you if you watched it live. Also, thank you if you watched this on YouTube and make it through the end. Well done, sir. I'll see you guys next week. Take care.